Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really great. So today's video is going to be something different of what I always do. It is going to be a body shop review video. It's not going to be a first time use review video or maybe a packaging and opening kind of a video. But these are few of the products that I have been using for quite some time of Body Shop, and I thought it would be a really great idea if I could share on how the results of the products are like. So some of the products are almost over and some of the products that I am still using are currently there. So I just thought of sharing some of the results with you before I dump these boxes off. So before I go into the details of the product, let me tell you that I've been using Body Shop products for almost 2.5 years now, and honestly I have not had any kind of allergies or any kind of side effects on my skin after applying Body Shop products. So as per my personal opinion, the Body Shop products that I have been purchasing till date have given me really good results, and I think it's going to be helpful to you as well if you ever wish to buy in future, or if you're currently buying or if it is on your wish list. So one thing I would like to say is Body Shop products are such that it could suit all skin types. So I'm going to be speaking about 6 products today, out of which one of them might be suitable for all skin types or might not be suitable for all skin types. So I bought this product, but it did not suit me that well. I used it for a couple of days, but since I came across kind of breakouts onto my skin, I stopped using the product, but I did not dispose it off. Before you use that product, make sure that you go and test the product before you purchase it, because it's kind of expensive. But do not waste your money if the product does not suit you. So moving on with the video, since I spoke about the product that might and might not suit your skin, I'll be talking about that product straight away. So it is the tea tree oil. So the product says that it's for blemished skin. However, I took this product as an essential oil because I used to put a lot of face packs initially, and I wanted to try how this essential oil would work for me. So I used to use just a couple of drops, like maybe 2 or 3 drops with the face pack that I used. But unfortunately it didn't work quite well for me. So this is a 10 ml bottle and it's priced at around 700 to 800 bucks. So it's kind of expensive. The packaging is really very small, if you could see, but you also get testers of these at the retail shop. So before you go and purchase this, I would advise you to go and test it first. If it works for you, it's amazing, because first few days that I tried, the sensation that it gives into your face, it's really nice. So the first time when you put it onto your face, it gives you a tingling sensation, like supposing if you put some kind of balm onto your face and the way it slightly burns. So that is how it's going to be when you apply it onto your face for the very first time, and after some amount of time it's actually gonna, you know, reduce that, and it's gonna give you nice results. So if you want me to test this and show it to you, I can just show it to you. Now there's a smell in this that actually is like a balm smell, and it's the tea tree oil smell. So just a couple of drops, if you can see, I'm going to be using just 1 or 2 drops. So make sure that when you do this, it comes out in plenty, so be careful when you put these drops. So if I'm going to be massaging this here, you can see how the consistency is. So it's like a oily texture. It's a very oily texture, and so 2-3 drops is sufficient to use for a large section of area. So that's how the texture is. The smell, I really liked the smell initially, but since I am unable to use it, I do not get the opportunity of getting the smell again and again. But please make sure that you go ahead and try the product before you purchase this product, because this product could be a waste if it does not suit your skin. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Body Shop hand cream, which is in the strawberry fragrance. And I really like this fragrance, guys, because it's absolutely the rich, fresh strawberry smell. So I'm going to be applying it and showing it to you. So I'm just going to be taking a small amount of that, and I'm just going to be giving you an idea. So it's like a creamy texture, not very thick, not very thin, but it's like good for a couple of hours, maybe like 2 hours or 3 hours. So after which you need to replenish it again. But the smell is absolutely amazing. Those who actually love the smell of strawberry, this is an amazing product. You get a lot of ranges of this product also. You get hand creams, you get lotion, you also get the shower gel, which I'll be talking about, and also you get the lip balm. So you can go and check the Body Shop retail store. There are innumerable products of the same fragrance which you will love, and that is the reason I like Body Shop, because they have fragrance of almost every product there, and it is so satisfying when you go and you buy stuff. You get it in all different items. 100 ml package. You also get a smaller package of this, which is more or less the tea tree size package, but that is slightly cheaper. I think it's around 250 bucks or something, and this is for 745 rupees. But I bought the bigger package because I knew how the smell was like. I've used it before, so I didn't go for a tester. But when you go to the shop, there are always testers open, so you can try it over there and see the consistency also. Now this is really good for summers because it's not very thick in consistency and not very thin as well, and it lasts for around 2 hours maybe. So that's really good. In winters it might not help much. In winters you would go for a different product which is more of buttery consistency, because you have tendency that the skin gets too dried and you do not want to keep moisturizing your hand every half an hour. So this product is really good for monsoon months and the summer months. Now the next product is actually my favorite product on the list of Body Shop products, which is the mango yogurt. If I take this and I show it to you, so it's like a jelly kind of a structure. So I'm going to put this also. So I'll just apply this much of it and brush it right through my hands. Now if you can see that this is the consistency. Texture is really very thin. It's not very thick when you put it. So this lasts for not very long time. It could last for like 1 hour or maybe at the most 2 hours, after which you need to replenish, because the skin gets dried. Even in summer months, if you apply this, the skin gets dry. But the only thing amazing about this, that if you love mangoes and if you love the smell of mangoes, this smell is amazing. So since I was talking about this product, let me tell you a funny incident that I came across. So I took this and I kept it on the table, on my dining table, and my brother saw it. So he just opened it and he saw the consistency was like yogurt, which are available in the supermarket. So what he did was he just took some of it and he smelt it first. He loved the smell and he was just going to eat it. But that's when I stopped him and I told him that to look at the product which says it's a yogurt cream and it's not a yogurt. So that was kind of an embarrassing moment for him. But it was really so intimidating that you would actually feel like eating up the product itself. But please do not do that. It is not an edible food item. Also, when you apply it to the skin, the fragrance that it gives at the initial stage of applying, it's really nice. The person who walks next to you will get this amazing smell, and it is so very intimidating. So coming to my next product, which is the Body Shop body butter. For all those of you who have very dry skin during summers and even during winters, terrible drying skin during winters, this product is really best. So this is in the fragrance Wild Argan oil, if you can see, and the quantity is 200 ml. So it is a very big packaging of body butter. It lasted me for like a year because I used it daily. And when you're using this product, you do not need to replenish again and again because the consistency is really thick. A little amount of product is sufficient enough to use for a longer period of time. Now I cannot show you how the product looks like because my packaging is almost over. As I said, I've kept the containers to show you what products I'm using, but I can tell you that this product is really very good for dry skin. Since I have dry skin in my palm area, I use this product and I've been using it for almost a year, as I said. So the product is priced at 1,150 bucks. So I think it's pretty good a product if you're going to use it for a long time. If you're going to invest in products that are costing like 500, 600, 500, 600 and you need to use it daily, it's kind of waste of money. So buy a product that is actually durable for a longer period of time. The shelf life is more. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Smokey Rose White Musk mist perfume. Now this is really amazing, guys. If you have tried white musk before, you're gonna love it because the smell is a mixture of white musk and smoky rose that it says. So basically you get a hint of white musk and a slight amount of hint of the fragrance of rose as well. So it's a mixture of both, and smell, it's not fruity at all and it's not even flowery. It's more of a warm and a very slightly strong kind of a fragrance. I wish I could make you get the smell of this product and all of the products that I actually reviewed you, but that is just impossible. But you can always go to the retail shop and get the testers for these and you can test it on you. There are a lot of varieties of mists available over there in all the products that I have spoken about right now, all the fragrances that are available here and many more. You will love the products, the fragrances that are available there. So I would advise you to please go ahead. If you're buying any Body Shop products, please go try the products. You will be really happy with the results of the product. So I've shown you all the 6 products that I wanted to talk to you about that I've been using currently, and these are one of my favorites from the Body Shop products. You can go and try yours as well. Now the only product that I actually disposed of the container of, which was the perfume that I had, which was in the fragrance vanilla, which I actually loved because I had applied that once on my flight, and there were a lot of people that came up to the flight and actually asked me what the fragrance was. So the fragrance is really nice. You can also go and try that. The price is more or less same. It's all ranged between 800 to 1000 bucks. I have almost come to the end of my video, guys. I hope you've liked the review that I showed you. Now this was something different that I did from the usual, and please share your feedback on the comments below. And if you want me to upload more of product reviews which I have been using, I would be more than happy to share my thoughts on the products that I have been using and you want to know. So all these products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, and also the Body Shop retail stores and also the Body Shop online store as well. I'm going to be linking down all the products that I spoke about with the price. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please share your feedback, do share my videos, like the videos and subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon because I get a lot of messages telling me I was the first one on the video. That makes me really happy, and I think that makes you happy as well. So please do not forget to press the bell icon because that's when you are the first one to get notified when I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you liked the video and hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye-bye.